This is how I record my video on a budget for my content creation. This is my Type-C receiver. I connect it to my phone and then my microphone transmitter, one of them, I connect it on my collar, close enough to my chin for better voice production. I make sure that it has been fully charged. This is the case in which it came. By the way, the name of this microphone is wireless lavalier microphone. Very effective. I'm not here for a promo business for this product, but I am here in this video to let you know how I record my videos on a budget. I make several videos and I keep them. They have come out so fine with this microphone. What I'm holding is the case of it. It's called the charging case. It came as a pair. I have attached one to my collar, as I told you, and this pair is in the charging case. The three items stay in this case. It has a charging cord that you use to charge it. It must be fully charged for about 3 hours for it to be good enough. Just a simple video to let you know how I record my videos. Cheap, no complicated studio work, and I get a good effect. If this video has been inspiring, helpful in any form, like the video, leave a comment, ask me questions, and let me answer you. I would like to read from you. It has been helpful for my content creation on my YouTube channel, Sew with Theresa, where I share tips on sewing, how to learn sewing, on how to make any kind of things you sew. It's a sewing niche channel. I share tips and tutorials and tricks and hacks for those learning fashion designing, for those learning to sew, for those who are sewing at home and want to sew confidently. Just that. Please keep watching my videos because in this channel, I teach sewing in its simplest form. Keep watching my videos. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you.